Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your own sentence mining database in Notion for language learning, using a free, professionally designed template. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a functional and stylish workspace where you can collect, organize, and review foreign language sentences, helping you learn faster and more effectively. Let's get right into it. We're going to make this super simple by utilizing a free mining database template in Notion. This isn't just about making things quick and easy. Starting with a template gives your database a polished, professional look right from the beginning. Plus, later on, you'll have the flexibility to customize anything you want. But for now, we're going straight for efficiency. So, first things first, open up Notion. If you're new to Notion, don't worry. Everything we're doing here can be done with a free account. In your Notion workspace, look to the top left of your screen. You'll see a little drop-down there. This is your gateway to creating new pages and exploring Notion's features. Go ahead and click that drop-down. You'll see a menu open up, and what we want is Browse Templates. It might take a second to locate depending on how your Notion sidebar is set up, but once you find Browse Templates, give it a click. Now you're in the Notion Template Gallery. This is basically like a library of starter kits, designed by the Notion team and other creators to help you jumpstart different types of workspaces. There's a search bar. Let's use that to type in mining database. This is going to pull up any templates related to sentence mining, language study, or anything similar. The results may vary depending on what new templates pop up from time to time, but look for one with a clean, organized feel, something that catches your eye and seems easy to navigate. Take your time here, and don't worry if you want to preview a few options before making your choice. Once you find the mining database template that fits your needs, click on it to view more details. You'll typically see a description, a preview of what the database will look like, and a button to add or duplicate the template to your workspace. Click Add, and just like that, the template is now imported into your Notion dashboard, ready for you to use. Now, this is the fun part. With the template added, you'll see a professional-looking sentence mining database in front of you. The structure is already set: tables, tags, columns, and so on. All you have to do is start populating it. You can add your credentials, maybe the source of the sentence, a translation, a grammar note, or an example usage. Get creative. Think about what would help you review and remember later. You can also personalize the visuals, maybe change the icons, organize categories by language level, or add cover images that relate to your study goals. If at any point you feel uncertain about what to do next, remember, templates are designed to save you time and give you inspiration. It's perfectly normal to adjust things as you go. Maybe your first sentence entry is a bit basic and the formatting isn't quite right. That's okay. Notion makes it easy to edit, rearrange, and update your database whenever you want, so you're never locked into anything. The idea here is to make a system that works for your learning style, and that's really all there is to it. By using a free Notion template, you've skipped a ton of setup work and now have a beautiful platform where you can build up your very own sentence collection. Over time, your database is going to grow and evolve with you, making your language learning journey much more streamlined and enjoyable. If you found this tutorial helpful, please be sure to give the video a like and feel free to drop any questions in the comments. I'm always happy to help if you're stuck or need advice on customizing your database further. And don't forget to subscribe for more Notion tutorials and language learning tips. Thanks for watching, and happy mining!